and the Flam accents. Flam accents are based on the triplet rhythm. So if you imagine playing a normal triplet, 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 all we're doing effectively is putting a flam at the beginning. So we're going flam, triplet, flam, triplet, flam, triplet, flam, triplet. And you could think of the sticking as left, right, right, left, left, right. So it's the same sticking twice, left, right, and then right, left. But the first time you play the left, right, or right, left, it's quicker because it's a flam. And the Flam accents.